Launch your travel blog today. A quick and easy tutorial. Stick to the end to get your free domain and in-depth guide. Step 1. Choose your hosting plan. Starting a travel blog involves critical decisions, such as selecting the appropriate hosting plan. With numerous hosting companies available, each offering various plans with different features and prices, we suggest beginners in the travel blogging realm to consider Bluehost. Step 2. Domain name registration. After selecting your hosting plan, the next crucial step is to register your domain. Your domain name serves as the address that users will type into their browser to access your blog and is an essential part of your website's identity. Step 3. Create your account. Creating your account is a simple process. When signing up on the Bluehost website, you'll be asked to enter your details, including your name, address, and contact information. It's important to provide an active email address as Bluehost will use it to send important information and updates. Step 4. Customize your package. After creating your account, the next step is to customize your hosting package. Bluehost offers a variety of package extras that you can add to your hosting plan. Once your purchase is complete, you'll be ready to move on to the next step, installing WordPress and setting up your travel blog. Step 5. Install WordPress. WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world and is highly recommended for travel bloggers due to its flexibility, ease of use, and a large community of users and developers. Step 6. Choose a WordPress theme. Bluehost provides a range of free WordPress themes that you can implement for your blog. Once your theme and appearance is set, you are ready. Step 7. Start blogging. Alright, now you're all set. Now that you have your travel blog set up and your theme chosen, it's time to embark on your blogging journey and start sharing your travel stories with the world. Remember to promote your blog on social media, engage with your readers through comments and interactions, and consider sending regular newsletters to keep them updated. Yay! You've reached the end of the video. Make sure to check the description below for the link to get your free domain for the first year and free guide on my blog to kickstart your travel blog journey. And happy blogging! Thank you all for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you in the next one.